Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can upload picture to Pinterest. Okay, first of all, let's just open our Pinterest application on our phone and make sure that you have a Pinterest account. And after you have a Pinterest account, you can log into your account. Then we can click on this plus button to start uploading picture. Tap on the pin option and select pictures from your device that you want to upload. Actually, you can also upload a video, but I'm just going to upload a picture. I'm gonna go with this one. Tap on the picture you would like to upload and you can click on next right here. Okay, and here you can add title, description, or a link to your photo. If you want to edit your photo or picture, you can tap on this pencil icon, and here you can edit your picture. And after you're done editing your picture, you can click on done, and we can click on create. Okay, and just wait for a moment until the picture has been uploaded to your Pinterest, and we can check it on the saved option. All right, and this is the picture that I have just uploaded. Alright guys, and that's how we can upload picture to Pinterest. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.